SEM, and I am here to present my topic, Advantages and Disadvantages of C Programming. Before that, I would like to thank our faculty teacher, Mr. Aryabhata sir, for giving me this opportunity. Thank you so much. Now, let's proceed with the topic. Listed out, and these are powerful and efficient language, portable language, built-in function, qualitative extended self, middle-level language, system programming. So we'll look after it point by point. The first point is powerful and efficient language. What does powerful and efficient language means? C is a powerful language because it gives the direct access to memory and hardware. It has a fine control over system resources, and it operates low-level functions. Now, the efficient language means it takes less time, less runtime, and do the execution of the code very quickly. And it also manages the resources. The portable language here means if we write a set of code in an operating system, and if we get the output, and if we copy paste the same set of code to another operating system and get the same output as before, then it is a portable language, it is the portable set of code. Built-in function. Built-in function means C provides a very extensive library of made-up function which is helpful for the user to write the code. And some of the examples are printf, scanf, getf, putf, etc. Quality to extend itself. So we got to know that it provides built-in function. C also provides to extend itself its boundary by providing the function of providing the ability to user-defined functions, which means a user can define its own function according to their need. Middle-level language means it has the tendency to combine low-level language as well as high-level language, which is the second generation and third generation. Example of low-level language is bit manipulation, pointers, etc. And example of high-level language is loop construct and conditional construct. Now, moving on to the system programming. C is also used to program hardware devices such as microcontroller, microprocessor, real-time operating system, etc. Now, these are the advantages. Moving forward to disadvantages. Let's look on to disadvantages of C programming, which are concept of hoops, runtime checking, concept of namespace, lack of exception handling, no constructor and destructor, low-level abstraction. Where C programming do not have concept of object-oriented programming system, which means it lacks inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, etc. Now, runtime checking means it compiles the code and tells you the errors after writing the whole code. It will not interpret the errors line by line. So this is a major drawback of this language, and this makes the code very complex and hard to debug. Now, the concept of namespace. This is used to derive variables of two different functions with the same name. And using namespace, it helps the code to understand that these two names of same variable have the different function. But this is a major drawback, that this function is not in C programming. Now, lack of exception handling. Exception handling is basically a process of finding unwanted errors as well as the unwanted and specious code. But this is also lacked in C language, which is also a major drawback. Now, constructor and destructor. Constructor and destructor is also a part of OOPS concept. It is the function of class that helps to initialize or destroy the object, but it is also not present there in C language. Now, low-level abstraction. Abstraction is basically data hiding, which only shows the data which is important and keep the authentic data safe. But there is very low level of abstraction happens in the C language. So these are some of disadvantages that we have discussed. Now, moving on to the conclusion part. Everything has its own pros and cons, so do the language, C. But we should not forget that this is the mother of all language. This is the base of all language, and whatever the language you have studied or you are going to study, these are the few languages which are taking the base of the C language, which is C++, Java, C has, and Python. And there are many more other languages which are based on C language. So we should not forget that this is the mother language of all the other programming languages, and we have to have great command over this language. So that's all from my side. I'm wrapping up this presentation by thanking you all for staying till the last. This is me, Aryabhata University, signing off. Thank you. Have a nice day.